Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And this video is part 3 of slime. And, oh man, my slime. Well, earlier was looking better. Okay, so this is part 3 of me making slime. I suggest you go watch the first and second video. Not too entertaining, but you know, whatever. Oh, here, let me just show you this, guys. Let me just, All right, so you can see that I have this slime in my hand, right? all right, I have a UD or UV light, I think it's called. Oh, jeez. Hello. All right, Wait, hold on. I'm gonna just let you guys see. Look at that. Look at that. It's, oh, I put it in this, oh gosh. It is kind of hard to just do. So it's red, right? Now I flip it over and around. Oh man, my slime's drying. No, need more. Well, earlier I was able to like. Oh, I'm nervous because I really don't want this to fall. Oh gosh, ta-da. So, after maybe 30 minutes of maybe like 10 minutes of mixing and doing it with my hand from last video, I got it to work. Well, I got the slime to be pretty good. It's just that I was letting it sit for too long, and that made my face cold. Oh no. Oh yeah, we got to the middle part now. It's getting stretchy. Oh yeah. No. Oh my gosh, this is almost as tall as me. Oh no. Big smiley face. Oh no. Ah. It's so long. I have got the power. Look at this. This is pure slime. Oh gosh. Oh no. I regret this. I have hair on my arms. Oh no. Ah. Wait. I'm just gonna go right in here and then I'm gonna go. Oh, look at that. You can see that. Oh, jeez. Wow. All right, fold it in, and then I'm gonna go right through here. Put it right there. Totally. And now we watch as it. So UV light is like crazy. On camera, in real life, it doesn't look that bad. But on camera, it's just like. All right, ready? I'm gonna stop doing it. Ready? Jeez. That is slime. This sadly, this isn't slime like where you can let it go. I mean, you can kind of see that it's going really slowly. Oh, it's going for a while. I'm just gonna keep letting it go. Oh, jeez. It broke. Oh gosh, I still have some glue left. Still actually have, I can mix the glues. I can make them yellowy, bluey slime. Ugh. Wait, what do I just buy camera your slime now? You can see on the inside it's slightly. Well, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab some of this, some more borax. Oh wait, I don't know if I have any more. It looks like I have some more. This is hard. Alright. Probably just made much more of a mess than well, it's okay because it's for slime. It's for slime's sake, everybody. Alright, let me get my spoon of magicianness. Let me get some of, okay. I messed up, I probably just ruined my slime. But, everything's good because oh no, oh gosh. How do I, oh, jeez. Well, wait. I just flipped it like a spatula. Spatula? Oh no. I may or may not have ruined my slime just by doing this. You know, I'm gonna get rid of this and put that. It's like, so it's like already like slime, and I'm adding more stuff to it, so like it's hard to break without using your hands. Oh, look at my spaghetti. Look at this wonderful spaghetti. Oh no, my spaghetti touched the ground. My spaghetti down. Okay, sorry. I'm driving myself a little crazy. Oh, it feels like a fish. I made fishy slime. It's glue, but it's like a fish. It doesn't look like a fish, but it feels like a fish. Oh, jeez. Oh, gee. It's so weird. Oh, gosh. I don't know how to explain it. The definition of it, I was going to mix this to be... I just saw a 1980s car go by. But I was going to, like, try to mix this because my favorite color is green, if you didn't know. And I was going to try to mix this to make a green color. But it turned out to be... like, it just turned into a fish. It doesn't look like okay, so slime is ruined. Oh, hello, doggy. Oh, look at, just like, look. You know, my next video, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna freeze it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna mess with it. And now I'm gonna shine the light. Whoa. Well, that's so. Oh no, I don't. I didn't mean to put that in there. So it's like there's blue, but there's yellow. Oh, I'm just dissolving the blue. It's just like get rid of it. This is cool. This is like frozen slime. I mean, not frozen. Oh, jeez. Oh, I just picked up some more of it. There was some in the thing, but so guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. But this is what you call. It feels like a fish slime. This is the slime I made. Feels like a fish slime. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I am messing. Okay, my dog is going ham, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to say I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good day. Peace out, guys.